It's already November, and pretty soon Thanksgiving is coming up. We're going to show you how to get some good recipes for Thanksgiving. Go to the App Store and search in the bottom right using the search button for Food Network recipes. We're going to find the Food Network Kitchen app right here, and we're going to tap on Get. We're going to go ahead and then do either Face ID or Touch if your phone has that. Once it loads up, we're going to go ahead and tap on Open on the right side. And we're probably going to say we're going to ask the app not to track us. It wants us to sign up or log in. And we can actually just go to there and then hit the top X to close out of that. And we can stop notifications if you're not interested in notifications. But at this point now we have a nice little page here that shows us a bunch of recipes and details. We can go ahead and tap on Thanksgiving. And as you can see, you're ready to go. You got a bunch of Thanksgiving appetizers that are popping up and different meals, as well as the main dishes and really any different things and desserts. So go ahead and check out the app. We'll show you here one quick thing here. Let's say for the turkey, we can save them and add them to the account if you do set up the account. But this is really good information, so you can see all the details of how to cook everything, and now you have it on your cell phone, so easily accessible, and it's at one place rather than having to go to a web page and keep try to find that right page and right spot. So I hope this helps during the month of November, and hopefully you can share this with your friends. And to be alerted of future videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks.